Hello everyone, welcome back to the Salesforce admin course. Before we start using Salesforce, there is one important questions we need to answer. Okay, so the question is, what is CRM? Because Salesforce is a CRM platform, and if you understand CRM first, learning Salesforce will become much easier. So in this video, we will understand what is CRM and why do businesses need it, and why Salesforce is the world's leading CRM platform. Let's start with what is CRM. Imagine you own a mobile shop and every day customer visit your store. Some buy phones, some ask about prices, some say they will come back later. These things happens. So if you write every customer details in a notebook or maybe some different Excel files, managing that information becomes difficult as your business grows. So what if a customer calls after 3 months and asks which phone was I interested in? Okay. Finding that information manually would take a lot of time. So this is exactly why CRM was introduced. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a system that helps businesses store customer information, track interactions, manage sales, and provide better customer service, all from one place. So without a CRM, companies face many challenges. Like customer information is scattered across notebooks, Excel sheets, and emails and WhatsApp chats. Sales teams may forget to follow up with customers. Support teams may not know a customer's previous history, or maybe managers can't easily track sales performance or generate reports. So these are some problems which is solved by CRM. CRM solves all these problems by keeping everything organized in one centralized system. Whenever a customer contact the company, employees can instantly access their complete history and provide better services. So that's why businesses need the CRM. Let's talk about why do we need the Salesforce CRM. Okay, we already learned about the CRM, but now we are talking about Salesforce CRM. You might be thinking that there are many CRM platforms. So why is Salesforce so popular? So there are several reasons. First is like Salesforce is cloud based. You only need an internet connection and a browser to access it from anywhere. The second is it is highly customizable. Every business has different requirements and Salesforce can be configured to match those business processes. And the third one is it offers powerful automations. Tasks like sending emails, assigning leads, approval, and reminders can all be automated. And another reason is Salesforce provides strong security features to protect customer data. And finally, it includes powerful reporting and dashboard capabilities that helps businesses make better decisions using real-time data. So these features are some of the main reasons why organizations around the world trust Salesforce. And companies across industries such as banking, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, education, and also IT uses Salesforce. So as a Salesforce administrator, your role is to customize Salesforce, manage users, and automate business processes and help organizations work more efficiently. The demand for Salesforce professional continues to be strong and making it a valuable skill to learn. And don't worry, even if you are a complete beginner, this course is designed to guide you step by step. So today we learned what is CRM and why businesses need CRM, why Salesforce is one of the leading CRM platform, and why learning Salesforce is a great career choice. In the next video, we will understand Salesforce in more detail and create our own Salesforce developer org so we can begin hands-on practice. So thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson.